Farm Animals, written by Caspian Scott, illustrated by Monica Tuna. The chickens, the duck, the pig, the donkey, the sheep, the goat, the horse, the cow,